Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. How are you all, uh, dear learners? As we have started our, the tenses portion, so I would like to add before starting simple present tense or present indefinite tense. It is very much important that we must discuss use of it, there, is, am, are, was, were, has, have, and had. Let me repeat. Before starting the simple present tense, it would be very much appropriate to discuss and clear the use of it, there, is, am, are, was, were, has, have, and had. So before this, we have covered the use of it, there, is, am, are, was, and were. Today we are going to discuss the use of has and have as a main verb. The use of has and have as a main verb. So you know that has and have are used to show the possession, मिल्कियत को जाहिर करने के, to show the possession. These has and have are used as a main verb, but these are also used as a helping verb. When we will be discussing, present perfect tense, past perfect tense, so they will become yes, they will become helping verb. But right now they are as the main verb we are using. And one more thing I would like to highlight as previous lectures, when we are done with tenses, we also discuss the parts of speech individually. We discuss each and every word, that what is it in parts of speech. So in this way you can better understand that what are really the parts of speech. So let's start. The use of has and have is our topic. Use of has and have. So let's have a look. मैं एक उम्दा कैमरा रखता हूँ. मैं एक उम्दा कैमरा रखता हूँ. I have a fine camera. I have a fine camera. Let's have a look towards the next sentence. उसके भाई के पास कई पतंगे हैं. उसके भाई के पास कई पतंगे हैं. His brother has many kites. His brother has many kites. Let's have a look towards the next sentence. फकीर के पास लाठी नहीं है. फकीर के पास लाठी नहीं है. The beggar has no stick. The beggar has no stick. Let's have a look towards the next sentence. तुम्हारे पास कलम क्यों नहीं है. तुम्हारे पास कलम क्यों नहीं है. Why have you no pen. Why have you no pen. So since this is an interrogative sentence, so we will put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Question mark is also very important, and we will bring why in the start. Yes, let's have a look towards the next sentence. औरतों के पास जेवर हैं. औरतों के पास जेवर हैं. The women have ornaments. Zevar, ornaments. The women have ornaments. Let's have a look towards the next sentence. लोहार के पास हथौड़ा नहीं है. लोहार के पास हथौड़ा नहीं है. The blacksmith has no hammer. The blacksmith has no hammer. The blacksmith has no hammer. Yes, the blacksmith has no hammer. Let's have a look. The last sentence. क्या आपके पास लाइसेंस है. क्या आपके पास लाइसेंस है. Have you a license? Since this is an interrogative sentence, so we will bring have in the start. So this was the use of has and have. Now let's briefly discuss where we use has and where we do use have. After discussing so many sentences, you will definitely understand that where do we use have and where do we use have. So yes, let me tell. With I, we, you, they. With I, we, you, they, and plurals. Plural noun, you can say. With when we use pronoun I, we, you, they, as well as plural noun as a subject when we use, so we use have. Let me repeat. When we use pronoun I, we, you, and they, and we use plural subject, so we use have. On the other hand, when we use he, she, it, or they, he, she, it, or singular noun as a subject. Let me repeat. When we use he, she, it, or singular noun as a subject, so we use has. So this was the brief information regarding use of has and have. By the way, these are used to show the possession. किसी चीज़ की मिल्कियत को ज़ाहिर करने के लिए, किसी चीज़ के ताल्लुक को ज़ाहिर करने के लिए we use has and have. But we also use it as a helping verb when we will discuss the tenses like present perfect and past perfect. So this was the use of has and have we discussed. And one more important thing that I would like to share with you is the use of grammar with the help of tenses. Very quickly we can see that what are the parts of speech involved in these sentences. Let's have a look. I as a pronoun, have, verb, a, article, indefinite article, fine, adjective, camera, noun. His, pronoun, brother, noun, has, verb, many, adjective, kites, noun. The, definite article, beggar, noun, has, main verb. No, this is adjective as well as adverb. Stick, noun. Why, this is adverb and as well as pronoun. Have, verb. You, pronoun. No, adverb as well as adjective. Pen, noun. The, article, definite article. There are two types of article, definite article and indefinite article. The is called definite article and these are the part of adjective. Women, noun. Have, main verb. Ornaments, noun. The, article. Blacksmith, noun. Has, verb. No, adverb or adjective. Hammer, noun. Have, verb. You, pronoun. A, adjective. License, noun. So dear learners, you can say with this relationship, with this correlation, you can better understand that what are parts of speech. In fact, we have studied, but this is the high time to understand